Good day everyone. My name is Gabriel Gerrard Anak Tagong from Group 7 and I'll be a representative of the Rokunin Apparel in leading this presentation. How are you guys? I hope everyone is doing alright. So in this presentation, we'll be going through what our business is about, our product, the customer needs, the problem that we are going to provide to, and our growth potential in this clothing business. So let's start. In Rokunin Apparel, as you may all know, we sell clothing like the jersey we sold in our Instagram page, as you can see here. At Rokunin Apparel, we don't just sell jerseys, we create wearable stories inspired by the heritage of Japan. Our jerseys have a very unique design inspired heavily by the culture of Japan. In our jerseys, there are multiple unique designs in it, such as the cherry blossom tree, the iconic rising sun of Japan, kanji characters at the front which translates to Unimas, and wave patterns. Fun fact, the wave design used in our jersey is inspired by the famous art done by the famous artist Kazuhika Hokusai. Here are a few feedbacks from the few customers that bought our product.
Baju tu dia menepati apa yang ku mahu lah, apa yang ku inginkan. Saiz dia cun, the colours, I like the colours, the design, and there's a tulisan Jepun ditulis Unimas itu, which is great, and that's why I like it. Yeah, it's very good shirt, and the design is very look like Japanese style. Yeah.
For me, I like this shirt because it has some Japanese culture mixed into it, and I really like the patterns, the wave patterns, the sakura petals that you can see on the shirt, and I really like this kind of shirt, so it makes me want to wear it every day.
I like the design of the shirt and the quality is good. It's soft and smooth.
In this day and age, there are endless supplies of clothing being pumped out by famous or individual businesses. However, in the sea of clothing items being made and shipped out, there are a lot of poorly made or poorly designed clothing being sold so that the businesses selling them can earn more but pay less. Due to this, Rokunin Apparel are here to meet these customers' demands of good quality clothes with unique and inspiring design instead of being bland and generic, which is only made to gain a revenue. In the year 2024 to 2025, the fashion industry have always been on the move without stopping. This is largely due to the incorporation of tech and consumers that shape the current fashion industry trends. Consumers today prefer products that reflect their individuality and identity. Customizable and niche designs like the Japanese themed jerseys from Rokunin Apparel resonate strongly with this trend. Our products are distinctive and stand out in the sea of mass-produced clothing. Besides that, Japanese art and aesthetics are gaining popularity globally, particularly among the younger generations. From anime to traditional motifs like waves and cherry blossoms, people worldwide are increasingly drawn to Japanese culture. Rokunin Apparel taps into the growing fascination by infusing these elements into its design. And lastly, with online shopping becoming the norm, especially among the younger generations, having an Instagram-based or online-first approach is a strategic advantage. Social media also makes it easier to connect directly with your target market, showcasing designs and building a loyal community. There are two main competitors which competes with our business in Rokunin Apparel, and they are the large sportswear brands like Nike and Adidas, and niche cultural brands like the Japanese streetwear brands, for example, like Uniqlo. For the large sportswear brands, these brands usually dominate the market with widespread recognition, extensive product lines, and cutting-edge sportswear technology. However, their design often lacks cultural uniqueness and tend to cater to a broad audience, making them less appealing to customers seeking a niche, meaningful product. In Rokunin's case, while Nike and Adidas focus on performance, Rokunin Apparel combines functionality with visually appealing designs, filling a gap for consumers who want both style and meaning in their clothing. Secondly, for the niche culture brands, like the Japanese streetwear brands, these brands often create high-quality, culturally rich designs which may attract customers interested in Japanese culture. However, they usually lack a focus on sports functionality, limiting their appeal to people who want to wear it at a sports event, for example. And additionally, their high pricing and limited availability can deter some customers. So in Rokunin's case, Rokunin Apparel blends the aesthetic of cultural streetwear with the practicality of sports jerseys, offering a unique hybrid product at an accessible price. Let me walk you through the business model canvas for Rokunin Apparel. First, the key partners. To ensure the success of our business, we rely on key partnerships. This includes the fabric and material suppliers who provide high-quality materials for our products. Their role is crucial in maintaining the premium feel and durability of our jerseys. Secondly, key activities. Our key activities focus on three main areas, which is first, designing and producing new jerseys, second, marketing campaigns to build brand visibility, and third, managing customer orders and logistics. The third, key resources. Our business depends on several key resources: a talented designer for creating culturally inspired graphics, reliable suppliers for quality materials, and strong online presence and e-commerce platform so that it can make our products more accessible. Fourth, value proposition. Rokunin Apparel offers something unique. The jerseys that combine Japanese culture designs with modern functionality, high quality, customizable products that let customers express themselves individually, and aesthetic appeal for both sportswear and casual wear. The fifth one is the customer relationships. We prioritize the personalized customer service by offering design customization options like sleeve length or color size to meet our customer preferences. We also keep our customer engaged through social media polls, sneak peeks, and pre-orders, creating a sense of exclusivity. The sixth one is the channels. We reach our customers primarily through our online store, social media promotions, and word of mouth recommendation. Through Instagram in particular, it plays a role in showcasing our designs and connecting with our audience. Seventh, our customer segments. Our target customer include university students, streetwear enthusiasts, and fans of Japanese culture. These groups are looking for apparel that's not only functional but also stylish and meaningful. The eighth one is the cost structure. Our main expense include the design and production costs, as well as shipping and logistics, to ensure our customer receive their orders on time. And lastly, the ninth one is the revenue streams. Our revenue comes directly from sales of our jerseys through online platforms. Next off, the potential growth of Rokunin Apparel. Rokunin Apparel can expand financially and operationally. So the first one, to financially, Rokunin Apparel will launch and establish the brand on social media platforms like Instagram, where visually appealing products thrive. Besides that, we also will generate steady revenue through direct-to-customer sales. Apart from that, Rokunin Apparel will also use a cost-effective online marketing strategies such as influencer partnerships, and targeted ads to maximize reach with minimal spending. And lastly, we will also expand revenue streams by introducing new products such as jackets, hoodies, or accessories with similar inspired themes. Alright, secondly, it is through operationally. So through operationally, Rokunin Apparel will partner with reliable manufacturers to ensure high quality production. Besides that, we will also build a streamlined e-commerce platform for seamless customer experience, including easy customization options. And lastly, we will also plan to establish a physical pop-up stores or participate in cultural and sports-related events to increase brand visibility. In conclusion, Rokunin Apparel is more than just a jersey brand. It's a fusion of Japanese culture and modern sportswear. We've identified a growing demand for culturally inspired high-quality apparel and created a product that's both meaningful and functional. By staying true to our value of quality, authenticity, and creativity, Rokunin Apparel will continue to grow and connect with people around the world. And at last, I want to thank all my group mates for their amazing hard work and contribution in making the project a meaningful and a successful experience. You can also follow us on Instagram at Rokunin Apparel if you want to. And that's all from Rokunin Apparel. Thank you for watching. As always, Rokunin Apparel, wear the spirits of Japan.